Hello guys, and welcome back to another video at Tim and Matt's Travel Reviews, and today we are in the Intercontinental in Lisbon. We have a executive river facing room for you here, and let's have a quick look around. So starting on the side, this is one of the newly refurbed rooms. The hotel is going through a refurbishment phase at the moment, and they're doing floor by floor. So this is the 8th floor. On the side here we've got some nice marble top counters. This nice bowl of fruit arrived just shortly after we did. Some complimentary water, seems to be a bottle a day, and a Nespresso coffee machine. It has been used by us, it wasn't empty. Underneath we have your usual safe, make sure you use that. Many travel insurance companies will void if you lose something without using your safe, so keep that in mind. Mini bar. And some additional tea and coffee down here. And then the mini bar fridge. And then there's a nice big TV on the wall, built into a mirror. The mirror's not dirty, it's just the funky pattern. And then a desk workspace. And then swing round to a small seating area. It is newly refurbished, as I said, so everything's still very comfortable. Nothing's been worn in. Bedside table. The light on that clock is actually really bright, so it actually ends up giving a bit of a night light. And then the bed. I've always praised IHG Group for their beds and pillows. I've always found them really comfortable. Not quite the case here. I found this the best I've ever slept on. It's not just good, it's amazing. Again, it's probably down to it being a brand new bed, but it's the most comfortable bed, hands down, around the world, anywhere that I've slept on. So well done, Intercontinental Lisbon. And we also got an aircon unit, touch screen, or touch pad controls. Another nice floor to ceiling mirror. Some artwork. And the closet and wardrobe. Some extra pillows and a blanket up top. It does get cold here in the winter and in the evenings in the winter. Your ironing board. And then into the bathroom. It's a really nicely appointed bathroom. Shower's push button. And then you've got your extra bits down there, some extra towels, slippers, robes, hairdryer, and the amenity kit, and a nice big mirror which counteracts any steam. To give you an idea, it's a long, thin, tall building. So here we are, I said it's a river view, but it's not that close to the river. I'll show you. Every room, because of the way it's shaped, every room has a corner. Each room sort of sticks out slightly. So you get this side you get a really nice view across the city. It's called a river view, you can just see it there. I imagine the higher up you are, the more you can see. If you're facing the other way, I don't think the view's particularly pleasant. I think it's pretty much that, but less attractive looking. I had a quick peek around the other side and it didn't look nice at all. We are next to this large park, which is really, really nice to walk through. It's the, I think, Edward VII Park, and also Botanical Gardens. The nearest metro is where that statue is. There's a metro station there, or at the other end of the park, up the other way, but you're going uphill to get to it, and it feels like it's slightly further away, that much just because it's uphill. So there we have it, guys. This is an executive double room, river facing. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Always really, really helps us. Please subscribe to keep up to date with new videos we always have upcoming. And until next time, I'll see you then.